Let's discuss something about integration. We have studied well about differentiation. When we talk about integration, we can simply state mathematically this is the reverse process of differentiation. Like for example, if we are having a function y is equals to f of x. If we differentiate it, dy by dx will give us the value f prime x. Now in this situation, if f prime x is integrated, if we integrate it, which is also denoted by this sign, which is written as sign of integration, certainly when it is integrated, you will get the value of fx again. So when fx is differentiated, you get f prime x. If f prime x is integrated with respect to x, you will get f of x. Sometimes the result may differ in terms of constants. That's why integration is also categorized in a specified form, that is called indefinite integration. Let's discuss that also. Based on results of integration process or integration procedure, it is categorized in two ways. The first one is indefinite integration, and the second one is definite integration. Now we are going to discuss both of these one by one in detail. Let's discuss the concept of indefinite integration. This will understand with the help of an example. Say we are given with y is equals to 5x square plus 2. Here if we differentiate it, we'll get dy by dx is equals to 10x. Now say if we are given with y is equals to 5x square plus 6, again on differentiating we'll get dy by dx is equals to 10x. Now this can be written as dy is equals to 10x dx. We take this dx on the other side. Now dy is an elementally small variation in the value of y. Here dx is the small variation in x and 10x is the differentiation of the original function which was given to us. Now here we integrate both of these sides. If we talk about integrating both sides, what we'll get? Integration of dy is equals to integration of 10x into dx. We all know that integration means summing up. If we talk about integration of dy, here we are summing up the values of dy. So d of y is the differential element of y. Integration of d of y is certainly what? It is again y. This will give us what? Certainly when we integrate this function which was obtained by differentiation of 5x square plus 2, so we must get 5x square plus 2. But here if you carefully have a look on this expression, it is 5x square plus 6, of which differentiation is also 10x. So integration of 10x should also result this. But in these two expressions, you can see the difference is that of the constant only. Here if it is 2 or it is 6 or it will have any other value, then also what will happen? Differentiation of this function would have been just maintained at 10x. So here integration of 10x can simply be written as 5x square plus any constant. Here we can take it any constant because we can consider it as 10x plus 0, and as 0 is the differentiation of a constant, its integration will result just a constant. Now in any case, whenever we integrate something, the result must contain some constant which we call constant of integration. Hence we can say in various cases of integration, which are the reverse process of differentiation, the result will contain an indefinite value of a constant. That's why this result is called indefinite integration. Here, this is the equation which we are integrating, or this is the equation which is representing us how we are going to integrate something. Here this function which is being integrated is called integrand, and this x is the variable with respect to which we are integrating, or it is a variable with respect to which integration is carried out. So it must result the same expression which was earlier differentiated, and we got the value of dy. Once again, if we just analyze the process of integration, you can see if a given function is defined as y is equal to f of x. In this situation, dy by dx can be written as f prime x. It is the derivative of fx with respect to x. Now here dy can be written as f prime x into dx. If we integrate the two sides, it is integration of dy is equals to integration of f prime x dx. Now in this situation, this particular function which is being integrated we call integrand, which we have just now studied in the previous example. And obviously integration of d of y is equals to y, because this integration will nullify the effect of differentiation. Or once if we differentiate and then integrate, the effect of differentiation will be cancelled out by the effect of integration. So it must give us the final result as the original expression, but the expression must differ in terms of a constant. So here the result will be equals to f of x plus some constant of integration. So always remember, in case of such a process of integration, always a constant of integration will appear. Now we are going to study about some direct integration formulas or direct integration results for various functions under the category of algebraic, trigonometric, logarithmic and exponential.